Introduction to Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a very important software in your computer. It is actually a collection of computer programs which is made by Microsoft. So this package contains programs like Microsoft Word, which is a text editor. You can create letter, make any document, or design a web page using Microsoft Word. The next is Microsoft Excel, which is a spreadsheet format. So you can maintain a lot of your data on this spreadsheet. You can do a lot of calculations, addition, subtraction, and many more formulas you can use on Microsoft Excel. Then there is Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you're preparing any presentations, then you can use this particular program. Microsoft Outlook. So if you have multiple email accounts and if you want to manage all your emails from one place, or if you want to manage your emails effectively, then this is a very good program from Microsoft. Then there is Microsoft Access, which is a database program. So if you have to save a lot of data and then you want to use a user-friendly form to insert that data and then save it in a database format, then you can use Microsoft Access. Then there is Publisher, in which you can create and design brochures, calendars, postcards, etc. And then there is Microsoft Visio, in which with the help of which you can prepare flowcharts and many advanced level diagrams. The three basic programs which we use very often, especially if we are beginners to computer, then we use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's start with Microsoft Word. If we want to open Microsoft Word program, then we'll go to Start. We'll scroll down and we find here Microsoft Office, and here there is Microsoft Word. We can also type Word and we can open directly from here, or you can just right click, go to New, and then Microsoft Word document. So it will ask you here itself what name you want to give to this particular file. You can just say doc1 and then click and open it. If you open it from the program, then there is a default document which gets opened, that is document 1. Then you can go to file option, you can click on save, and then it will ask you for the location where exactly you want to save this particular file. So current location of this file is users and desktop. If you want to change it, you can go to this PC, select any drive. If there is already a folder in which you want to save, you can click on that folder, or you can create a new folder, My Files, double click, and then you can save it there. Now this is a letter form of Microsoft Word document. So you can just type in here my first letter, and then you can click on Shift and the left key arrow, and you can select whatever you have typed, or you can just select it with the help of mouse. Then you can change the font of whatever you have typed from here. Whichever font you want to select, you can just select it from here. You can change the size from here. It is very important to first select the content and then do these steps, otherwise it will not have any effect. Then you can change the color from here. You can highlight it from here, and so on. You can do a lot of stuff. You can just press enter and go to the next line. Then you can insert a lot of things. You can insert table, picture, clip art, shapes, and then you can change the layout. You can insert themes and a lot more things. So this is just the basic one. So that's it. We'll now look at how to use Microsoft Excel. So we go here, we type Microsoft Excel, we open it. So Microsoft Word was a letter kind of a format. It was if we see a plain A4 size paper, it looks a little bit similar to that, and we can just insert whatever we want to. But when you open Microsoft Excel, it is more like a spreadsheet format. So there are a lot of cells here. These are individual cells, and if I click this particular cell, then I know that this cell lies in F column and row number 9, and I can find the cell number from here. It is F9, so it is F column and 9 row. And then I can make a lot of changes here. I can insert data, text data or number data. Let's say A, B, C, D, and then if I insert any number, and then if I want to do just a total of this, then is equal to, you can run a lot of formulas here. So just equal sum, and then you select, so you get a sum here. And similar to Microsoft Word, you can again make changes to font, resize it, and many other things. So lot of formulas and functions are mentioned here, so which we'll be covering in our later videos. So this is how Microsoft Excel works. So same way, you can just save it from here, any location, wherever you want, desktop, save, and it gets saved with the name book 1. We'll now look at Microsoft PowerPoint. So we'll open a PowerPoint, and PowerPoint looks more or less like a presentation format. So you can insert any title here, my presentation, then any subtitle if you want, my learning videos, and then you can insert more slides with whichever content you want, and you can insert pictures, music files, table, charts, whatever, anything that is required for your presentation. And you can just click and add new slides from here, and then again in the same way you save it from here. So this is how Microsoft PowerPoint works. To learn more about this individual programs, do check out our next videos exclusive on these programs. And that's it for this video. Keep learning. Thank you.